What's happening, YouTube? Look what I done got out the shop. Got my Vic back. Just got through taking it through the car wash as well. Just armor all the tires. Got it running right now. But everything is all good. Everything all taken care of. Remember, I had the little car accident. But look at that. Guys done hooked me up. They got me all taken care of. Put the quarter panel on there for me. So on and so forth. Still got my lights. So, yep, look like we good. The only thing that's really messing me up, which I know they got the door from the wrecking yard, is this little stuff right here. I don't know if y'all can really see that or not. They had like a little clown sticker right there. Try my best to scrub it off, but I might get something to help out and get that off. As y'all can see, they got it all taken care of for me. Yeah, this whole quarter pounder right here was all messed up. You kind of see they did a little welding and stuff right up in here, and you know, they little grinder, but hey, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. These guys did a real good job. I'm actually highly satisfied. And I don't know if y'all can kind of see those numbers right there, all the little stuff. Well, like it say good or something, or G659 or something like that. That let me know it came from the wrecking yard as well. Wrecking yard down here at my location, because they have a whole bunch of Crown Vics down there. But hey, Crown Vic back on the road. I'm good, you guys. Better go ahead and roll on some more. Again, as y'all can see, they got the quarter panel all fixed. Everything all taken care of. All right. Oh, before I go too, I did want to go ahead and let y'all know I did pick up that 2014 Dodge Charger Pursuit. That's the other vehicle I got. I'm gonna go pick up the spotlight for that here in a minute and get that installed on there, because right now I got the Charger in the shop and it should be getting out tomorrow. I'm getting front end work done on it and so on and so forth. I'm getting the move parts as well. You know, the upper control arms, lower control arms, inner tie rods, you know, all those things. That's all the stuff I'm putting on there, and it's gonna be on both sides. So I'll be having more videos of that coming around as well. Also have more videos from my Crown Vic. So just want to give everyone a good update. Y'all stay blessed, man.